Hello friends, welcome back to Marquee Soaps. Today we are making our first soap for the July collection, and we are using Lemon Lavender Type by Nature's Garden. So as always, we have all of our oils, butters, and additives in our large bucket. We're going to mix that in with a stick blender, add in our lye, and get to making some soap. So we're going to split this into two different colors. So in our first bucket, we are going to add in some lemon drop mixed with a little bit of King Tut's Gold. And in our second bucket, we are going to add in this iris purple. Okay, so I do want to add in a little bit of titanium dioxide in both of these colors. So I have some that is already pre-dispersed in warm water. And before I mix that, I'm also going to add in my fragrance oil, which I measured out separately and equally. So before I mix in the yellow, I'm going to get our purple poured into the mold. So while our purple is setting up, let's go ahead and move that to the side and mix together our yellow. And now we wait until that purple is set up. I want to do some texturing on that purple layer, add in my yellow, and then we're also going to pipe some pretty flowers on top. So now I'm going to use this little spoon and just do a little bit of texturing on the top. And this fragrance went from like super runny to set up very quickly. Okay. Now let me give my yellow a little stir because it got thick kind of fast. We'll see if we can't just gently pour this in over top. But not like that. Nice little smack down here. And to help kind of even out the top, I'm just going to put a little bit of texture on top. You won't even be able to see it though after we do our piping. So I am using a Wilton 109 tip. Looks like that. And I don't think this is ready to pipe yet, but since we're right here, let's go ahead and just try and see what happens. So it's not bad, but I am gonna let it set for probably another 5 or 6 minutes, and then I'll bring you back and we'll get the top all finished up. Hello friends, and welcome back to Marquee Soaps. Today we are cutting the lemon lavender soap. So you'll have to excuse the noise in the background. Jeremy is down playing the drums, and well, there's some noise. So here's what it turned out. Super simple, super cute, right to the point. I like it. So this soap will be available on we're changing the release date. July 4th is on a Sunday. I'm going to release these on July 3rd. So for July, the release date will be on Saturday, July 3rd. I try to have everything released at 10 a.m. Central Standard Time if you are interested. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you all next time. Bye guys.